Ni mieri iri kuma riria bururi wa Kenya waruguririe mutaratara wa arwaru wa COVID-19 na aria mataronania ndariri o ciothe gukorwo makirumburio mari mucii. Mutaratara uyu ukionekana gukorwo uri na umithio amu ihinda-ini ria kiumia kimwe andu 2,738 ni mahonete murimu uyu.
2,738 patients placed under home care based program have recovered from the disease. There are still many more who are currently placed under the program, and we want to wish them quick recovery. This is a major success in the fight against the disease, a disease that has ravaged our country and put the lives of many Kenyans at risk.
Andu 14,805 niyo mari na murimo wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini. Uu ni thutha wa andu angi 637 kuonekana na murimo wa COVID-19 hari ithimi 4,275 kuri ithimi ciothe iria ithimitwo kuma COVID-19 gukinya guku bururi-ini ari 254,273.
Of these 637 positive cases, all are Kenyans with the exception of 14 who are foreigners. We still see the skewed distribution between males and females. 361 of these are males, 276 are females.
Kaunti ya Mombasa ihinda-ini ria ciumia 3 ni hotete kungethanira na murimo wa COVID-19. Kaunti ya Nairobi igithie na mbere na kuhatiririo ni murimo uyu na gucungiria kaunti iria mikuhiriirie ta kaunti ya Kiambu gukorwo iri ugwati-ini wa kuongerereka kwa arwaru kiumia-ini giki. Kaunti ya Kiambu ikiandikithia arwaru 278 ikiringithanio na kaunti ya Mombasa iria andikithitie arwaru 45 tu ihinda-ini ria kiumia kimwe.
If Mombasa can do it, then Nairobi, Kiambu and Machakos can all do it, and the whole country can do it, and it is possible. Let us ensure that those measures that have been put in place are adhered to. Let us ensure that our people understand the problem at hand and the need to observe these containment measures.
Andu 10 nio makwite kumana na murimo wa COVID-19 na gukinyaniria andu 260 guku andu 499 makihona murimo uyu wa COVID-19. Oho njera-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini matigitwo mari ugwati-ini munene wa kunyitwo ni murimo wa COVID-19.
Prisons from the word go are identified as one of the high-risk areas for potential outbreak of COVID-19 disease because of the high population of the inmates, because of poor ventilation in the housing facilities they have, because of the poor water sanitation and hygiene facilities that are available.
Maya mokete oriri gotiria makadarare higitwo kwa ihinda ria thiku 14 thutha wa aruti aria wira kuonekana na murimu wa COVID-19. Mwandikithania munene wa igotire ria makadara Ana Madi akiuga ihinda-ini riu ria thiku 14 maafitha ugima wa mwiri ni magukorwo makioka mweke ga kuhuhiriria dawa. Girifotera Kameme TV, Retora Kono Wajiro Waforo.